Why hello, it's me again. So, not gonna lie, that video was not supposed to do that well as I thought it would. Thank you. I think I'm at like 500 views something right now. This isn't really a thing that I was expecting to do. So, my next thing was, it was supposed to be this. It doesn't work. So when I got it from a coworker who's he broke the charge port because it dropped and it fell off. So I got it to get repaired. Now the screen doesn't work, but it works if you plug it in. So we're gonna do something with that soon. But lo and behold, this is today's issue. So the thing is, I got these a long time ago, and I thought I fixed this one. But so far, we have this. It's just black. Nothing is good with it. We're gonna see what that is. I don't really remember what I did with that. This one is a little bit more of an interesting case. This one, these aren't an issue. I think this is just like something wrong with the ribbon cable. But now, it's gobbledygook. It's gobbledygook. But like, listen. Like, it still works. You can see Tetris, like, but I think it's personally the ribbon cable. So we're gonna, this one I did as like my first year as a service tech, and it kind of worked, and you had to hit it, but like I want to fix it. I want to actually fix it up. So okay, well, let's try getting started. And if you're wondering why these are blurred, you can watch another video of where I started. So like, we gotta use this guy. So my thinking is with this guy, it's just the ribbon cable just being funky. If not, I think we're screwed because I don't really know what else it could be. Because it might be a bad chip or something, but then I gotta measure resistances, and then Google, my best friend, was not very like good. So we're just gonna see what's going on. As you can see, I've been very professional in trying to fix this guy before for its terminal that was missing. At least it has all its screws, man. That's more than I can say for a lot of things I've taken apart in the past. Oh, I think, yep, opens like that. There you go. Yeah, I mean, if you've never seen a Game Boy, it's really not all that much. It's just, honestly, I don't even know. It's like, here's the contrast control, it's just a potentiometer, a lot of supporting hardware for everything. I mean, it looks clean for the most part, like that. Let's take out the front at least, or this is the back. Well, let's take out the screen. Well, I want to take out the screen at least, and at least see what's going on with that bad boy, because I'm just like, maybe there's something wrong with the screen, but literally it's just like, the Game Boy doesn't have a lot. Like, I wrote my paper on like how the Game Boy synthesizes sound and whatnot, from like DC to like to give us notes and stuff. It's pretty interesting, but that paper was not good whatsoever. The teacher gave me a pass because I think he just knew me 8 billions. When I'm putting it back together, I have to go, oh yeah, don't put it in that one where it says no screw. It's the, oh dude, I think the rubber's coming off. I think that's the issue, because this presses down on that. I mean, it looks okay. Maybe the rubber's slightly off. Probably sticking it on, maybe? Maybe I can just like ghetto it. So that goes there. So if I'm right, it just might be the screen being weird. Please. Oh my god. I was not good. I don't even remember what this piece of metal was for, man. Oh, okay, don't do this. There we go. There you go. Good boy. Don't say that. Okay, so Tetris isn't even in this thing. Does contrast really even do anything right now? Oh no, you're the contrast. Well, I didn't even see the Nintendo logo, so put in the game. No! I think it's a little bit different now. Hold on. Let's just play like this. Nope. Still. What happens if I? All right, hold on. Let me get back. All right, Novine Universe. So we're gonna try doing this with a motherfucker. All right, we're gonna use this. James's channel used this. The only reason I'm gonna be using this bad boy is cause it can get to a really low temperature. Like, I mean, it'll still burn you, but it'll be better. Ow. Hold on. Let's do this with the other one because I'm pretty sure that's the only issue. Oh, okay, well that fell all over the place. Yep, the cleaner one. These have tri-wings in them. What uses a tri-wing in the year? Oh, I mean, I guess, man, but what? Why are we using a tri-wing? There's just, alright, so there's no middle screws. That's cool. That's neat. Yeah, shish bish. Did I put a screw in the place? No, I didn't. Cool, thank you, Past Me. You did so well. So good on your job. Your yub. Alright, put you over there, put this here, plug this. Oh, don't touch the gate. Don't touch the screen. Please. I mean, you know. Linux too much, man. Oh, I got scared. The shadows. Oh! I can kind of slightly see Tetris. Okay, I don't want to give in. You hot? DC low. Maybe I should plug it into a higher voltage. The only higher thing that I had was my Nintendo Switch charger. Game Boy? Hold on. Yeah, it's still churning and burning. I really don't know what's going on with this thing. Oh. Potentials? Oh, wait. It just works. Wait, what? I guess it works. Cool, I guess. All right, well, let's put it back together real quick. All right, push that bad boy in there and then turn on. So the issue was it wasn't pressing fully. Okay, so this thing hits that contact, right? So what if I just scrape away some of the junk that's on there? Didn't take care of that. What if I just... No, I thought to happen. Okay, I figured it out. So it presses down these two springs and it makes it work. So the thing is, the screws that I have that go into this thing just don't pull this thing down far enough because it uses these posts on the sides here to pull it down, which is in theory supposed to pull the screen down, which makes the thing work. That's not doing that. So I'm gonna just shove things in here to make it work, or else it just kind of goes like that. You know, it needs the press. So I'll be back. Okay. Alright. Twain. Okay. What do you mean? Are you camera shy? Why? Oh! There you go. I just need to screw it in. But guess it works, boy! Hold on. Oh, it works if I squeeze, but... Oh, cool. It just works. Well, let's, I don't know if this is copyrighted. Uh-oh, no. I give you what you need so you don't go. I get out to Round 2. Alright, so, unfortunately, there was no round 2. We had to move. So the box with the Game Boy is somewhere. I have a million things, a million consoles. I can show you the wall. It may be here, but like, yeah, I don't have it. So if you would like to see me fix the other one, which had a whole heap of other issues, sure, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more, or if you just whatever pizza pie you like, you know. So I will see you guys next time when I maybe fix a PSP or something. All right, boy.